Vivo iQOO 15 Ultra 5G. This isn't just another yearly upgrade. This is a statement that performance has a new king. Power is the heartbeat of this machine. While the industry struggles to keep up, the iQOO 15 Ultra screams ahead with the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Built on a 3nm architecture, it handles heavy multitasking, 8K video rendering, and high-end productivity without breaking a sweat. To manage this raw power, iQOO has engineered the Ice Dome active cooling system. Featuring a physical high-speed fan and dedicated air vents, it maintains peak performance during the most demanding tasks, ensuring the frame rates never drop and the device never throttles. The display is quite literally the brightest ever seen on a smartphone. Featuring a 6.85-inch Samsung M14 Everest AMOLED panel, it hits a staggering 8,000 nits of peak brightness. Even under direct, harsh sunlight, the screen remains perfectly vivid. With a 2K resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate, and a polarizer-free design, every visual pops with frightening realism. Whether you are watching cinematic masterpieces in Dolby Vision or gaming at the highest settings, the content feels alive. On the back, the industrial yet sophisticated design houses a professional-grade camera rig. The triple-threat system features three 50-megapixel sensors. The main sensor captures studio-quality low-light photos, while the periscope telephoto lens offers 100x digital zoom with incredible clarity. Complemented by an ultra-wide lens that maintains perfect edge-to-edge detail, this is a gaming beast that doubles as a filmmaker's tool. Battery life has been completely redefined. Despite being only 8.7mm thin, the iQOO 15 Ultra packs a massive 7,400 mAh blue ocean battery. Utilizing high-density silicon anode technology, it provides true 2-day battery life. When it is time to refuel, the 100-watt flash charging and 50-watt wireless charging ensure you are back to full power in minutes, not hours. For gamers, this is the ultimate weapon. It features dedicated haptic shoulder triggers, the proprietary Q3 gaming chip for frame interpolation, and native 144 frames per second support for AAA titles. With an IP69 rating for total water and dust resistance, this phone is built to survive the elements while dominating the leaderboards. The iQOO 15 Ultra is a glimpse into the future. It is built for those who refuse to compromise, those who demand the fastest chip, the brightest screen, and the most advanced cooling system on the planet. The new standard for 2026 has officially arrived. This is the iQOO 15 Ultra. Power has a new name. We've seen flagships, we've seen pros, and we've seen ultras, but today the game has changed forever. Welcome to the official introduction of a smartphone that is essentially a supercomputer in your pocket, the Vivo iQOO 15 Ultra 5G. This isn't just another yearly upgrade. This is a statement that performance has a new king, and it's wearing the iQOO crown. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, power. While the rest of the world is still catching up, the iQOO 15 Ultra is screaming ahead with a brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This isn't just fast. We are talking about a 3nm architecture that handles multitasking, 8K video rendering, and extreme productivity without breaking a sweat. But here is the catch. Power usually means heat, right? Wrong. iQOO has engineered something called the Ice Dome active cooling system. For the first time in a mainstream flagship that isn't a bulky gaming phone, we have a physical, high-speed fan and dedicated air vents. You can feel the air moving, keeping that internal temperature stable, even when you're pushing the frame rates to the absolute limit. It's the kind of engineering that makes you wonder why everyone else is still stuck using basic vapor chambers. But what's power without a window to see it through? The display on the iQOO 15 Ultra is, quite literally, the brightest screen ever put on a smartphone. We're looking at a 6.85-inch Samsung M14 Everest AMOLED panel. And the numbers? They're staggering. 8,000 nits of peak brightness. Let that sink in for a second. Even under the direct, harsh glare of the midday sun, this screen looks like it's glowing from within. Its 2K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and features a polarizer-free design that makes colors pop with a realism that's almost frightening. Whether you're watching a cinematic masterpiece in Dolby Vision or scrolling through your feed, it feels like the content is floating on top of the glass. Now let's talk about the Ultra in the name, because it's not just about the screen and the chip. Look at the back. That striking honeycomb pattern isn't just for show. It's built with premium materials that feel incredibly industrial yet sophisticated. And that camera module? It's a triple threat. We're talking about three 50-megapixel sensors. A main sensor with OIS that captures low-light photos so clean they look like they were taken in a studio. A periscope telephoto lens that brings the world closer with 100x digital zoom and 3x optical clarity. And an ultra-wide lens that doesn't distort the edges of your reality. This isn't just a gaming beast. It's a professional-grade camera rig. And here's where iQOO truly leaves the competition in the dust. The battery. Most flagships give you 5,000 milliamps if you're lucky. The iQOO 15 Ultra? It packs a massive 7,400 milliamp hours blue ocean battery. And the crazy part? The phone is only 8.7 millimeters thin. They've used high-density silicon anode technology to cram more energy into a smaller space. You could go 2 days on a single charge and still have enough juice to show off. And when you do need to plug in, the 100-watt flash charging and 40-watt wireless charging mean you're back at 100% before you've even finished your coffee. For the gamers out there, this is your dream come true. Dedicated shoulder triggers, the Q3 gaming chip for frame interpolation, and 144 frames per second support for titles that other phones can barely run at 60. It's responsive, it's tactile, and with the RGB notification strip on the back, it looks as futuristic as it performs. Plus, it's IP69 rated. Dust, water, high-pressure jets. Nothing stops this machine. The iQOO 15 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. It's for the person who refuses to compromise, the person who wants the fastest chip, the brightest screen, the biggest battery, and a cooling system that actually works. It has officially arrived to redefine what we expect from a 2026 flagship. The question isn't whether you want it. The question is, can you handle this much power? This is the iQOO 15 Ultra. The new standard has been set. The Vivo iQOO 15 Ultra will offer a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and a Sony sensor with optical image stabilization. Vivo has not yet confirmed the specifications of the wide-angle and ultra-wide cameras. The iQOO 15 Ultra is equipped with a modern Samsung M14 LTPO OLED panel with an impressive peak HDR brightness of 8,000 nits. The display can hit a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Combined with the quick Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the iQOO 15 Ultra should also be an interesting option for mobile gaming enthusiasts, especially because the flagship processor is cooled by an active fan, which should be very beneficial under sustained load. The iQOO 15 Ultra also offers touch-sensitive shoulder buttons for mobile gamers. In addition to the honeycomb pattern, the overall design of the iQOO 15 Ultra is rather unusual due to the LED strip in the camera module, which can light up in different colors to indicate incoming notifications, among other things. All other specifications of the iQOO 15 Ultra specs should be confirmed. iQOO 15 Ultra is scheduled to launch in China in the first week of February as the second model in the lineup. Leading up to its much-anticipated unveiling in the country, the Vivo sub-brand has been teasing the specifications, features, colorways, and design of the smartphone. Now, the tech firm has revealed various display-related features of the upcoming handset, including the resolution, luminescent material, and pixel density. Moreover, a purported hands-on video of the iQOO 15 Ultra has surfaced online, giving a peek into the phone's design. It is shown to feature a vent on the left side. iQOO 15 Ultra design, specifications expected. In a post on Weibo, the China-based smartphone brand has revealed that its upcoming iQOO 15 Ultra will be equipped with a 2K resolution 8T LTPO OLED display, with up to 144 Hz of refresh rate, M14 luminescent material, up to 8,000 nits of peak brightness, 2,160 Hz PWM dimming, 508 ppi pixel density, and Dolby Vision. Separately, Weibo user Tech Xiaobu, translated from Chinese, has leaked what appears to be a hands-on video of the upcoming iQOO 15 Ultra. In the video, the handset appears with a heat vent on the left side for its active cooling fan. It is shown with 2 shoulder triggers, which would be useful during gaming. The right side of the handset will feature a power button along with volume controls. It could boast a metal frame with flat sides. It appears in the silver colorway. The phone will feature a triple rear camera setup, housed inside a square-shaped deco. This comes soon after the company announced that the iQOO 15 Ultra will be launched in China on February 4th at 7 p.m. local time, for 30 p.m. IST. iQOO recently announced that iQOO's 15 series handset will be available for purchase in 2077 black and 2049 silver colorways. It is teased to feature iQOO's proprietary Ice Dome air cooling system and the Q3 gaming chip, while the company has yet to confirm other specifications. The iQOO 15 Ultra is tipped to be powered by Qualcomm's octa-core 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen chipset. It is said to be backed by a 7,400 mAh battery, while offering 100W wireless charging support. It could sport a 6.85-inch display.